Good morning, good morning, good morning. If it is indeed morning when you are, I think if all has gone well, this should be Tuesday for you. Recording lots of videos ahead of time, it does sort of change your perception of time somewhat. It's dark outside here, so I think it's morning darkness rather than nighttime darkness. But, well, either way, it's Tuesday for you, I think, hopefully, yes. So this is in the phonics slot. It's not strictly speaking phonics, but we just wanted to round off this section. And yes, we did miss a bit out of one of the earlier ones. We will jump back to that at some point before we go on to phonics again properly later in the week, which will be the end of phase 5, the phase 5 alternates, but we'll explain more about that later. But yeah, this is the bit we're going to do today. It's adding ing, ed, est, and y to the end of words, y at the end of the word, often making either an I or an E sound. It's a two-pager, so the adding the Y bit we're not going to get onto till tomorrow. So if you wonder what's going on with that, that's why. Anyway, right. So suffixes. They change words meaning or add to them. Not actually change wholesale, but they alter words meaning, and they're found at the end. Prefixes like un at the beginning, but suffixes at the end. So when you add ing or ed to a word that ends in e, remove the final e first. So smile changes to smile, smiling, smile, ed, smiling, smiled. You have to take away the e at the end of smile to add ing and ed. So there you go. Suffixes change some words ending in y. And you add ing or ed to a word ending in a vowel and y, there is no spelling change. So playing or played, you just add them on. There's no need to change anything. And down here, when you add ing to a word ending in a consonant and y, there is no spelling change. So crying is fine. But when you add ed to a word ending in a consonant and y, you change the y to an I first. It's in English lovely. So cry and cried becomes that. Yeah. So the questions for today. Circle the correct spelling to complete each sentence. Again, choice of two. Hopefully the one that's right will just look right to you. If you do need to refer back to the rules, obviously you can, but hopefully it will just look wrong. And then question 2, fill them in the missing letter in these words. And then complete the table by adding ing and ed to each word. So hopefully, I think we are into sort of more confusing territory now. But if you keep referring back to this bit here, look at the end of the word you're using, and then refer back to the rules here if you need to, which especially for the table down the bottom, you may well do. So there you go. Yes, come back in a little bit for some answers.